Well, here we are. I actually managed to find this place. There's some dogs now, so I think we're in the right place. You ready to go, Maggie? I think that it's an indication right there. All right, here we are. I keep narrating the obvious. Should I mention I'm on a beach? And Maggie's with me. Check. I'm going to keep her on the leash for right now. Her poop bag, luckily they have some. And Maggie is not afraid of the waves. See, I haven't been in the ocean this year. Please don't tell me it's cold. Oh, whew, okay. Oh, I probably should have brought a toy.
Both of those. Guys at parks that look like that.
And we got here the native plastic bag. Hey Maggie, here she goes.